Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rulings regarding prayer. Clothes worn in prayer, Part 1. In the previous episodes, we reviewed the extent of covering required in prayer for both men and women. Today, we will discuss the necessary conditions of the clothes worn while performing prayer. 1. Based on obligatory precaution, the clothes must not be Ghasbi, seized from someone without their permission or consent. 2. They must not contain parts of a corpse. 3. They must not be made of the Harām meat animal's skin. 4. They must not be made of pure silk or woven with gold, only for men. And finally, they must not be Najis, meaning that they must not be polluted by ritually impure items such as blood, urine, etc. Now, if someone performs prayer while wearing Najis clothes or while their body is Najis, their prayer is void even if they did so because they failed to learn the ruling. However, if a person is doubtful whether or not their clothes are Najis, they can perform their prayer with the same clothes and there is no need to change or wash their clothes. If someone was unaware that the clothes they were praying in had actually been Najis and realized this later, their prayer is valid. However, if they knew that their clothes have become Najis, but then they forgot it and performed the prayer in those clothes, they are required to perform that prayer again, even if they are in the midst of that prayer. Likewise, if they remember this after the time for prayer is up, they are still required to perform the qada prayer. There are some exceptions though, where one is allowed to perform prayer in Najis clothes or with a Najis body, which will be explained in the next episode, inshallah. Institute for compiling and publishing the works of Ayatollah Makarem Shirazi.